Did you know by 2030, 375 million people worldwide will have to change their skills or upgrade their skills to stay relevant in their industries. In the United States only, 45 million people will face displacement due to AI automation. Are you feeling the pressure to stay ahead in this rapidly evolving landscape? Do you want to impress your colleagues and superiors with your advanced Excel knowledge? Hi, I am Nandakumar Pandey, the founder of Step Up Consultancy Services. I have trained more than 5,000 people in various departments like account, business development, projects, quality, and so on. We have collaborated with more than 40 organizations with 5-star rating from all of their participants, introducing an exclusive opportunity to enhance your Excel skills. Discover how to supercharge your productivity. Learn how to use AI in Excel. Gain practical application of how to use macros in Excel with Visual Basic. And the best part is, no coding knowledge required. This webinar is perfect for the professionals who are willing to increase their productivity. Register today for Invest your future now and receive the bonuses worth ₹5,000 during the webinar. Don't miss this opportunity to unlock your full potential with advanced Excel automation. So professionals, what are you waiting for? Register on the link given below.